Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something super important, your rights if you're ever arrested in Ethiopia. Knowing what to do and what your rights are can make a huge difference in such a stressful situation. The Ethiopian constitution protects you and I'm here to explain it simply. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about your rights when you're arrested, as outlined in Article 19 of the Ethiopian constitution. Imagine this, you're being arrested. The police must tell you why right away. They can't keep you in the dark about the reasons for your arrest. No secrets, no being confused. They have to be clear and straightforward with you. They also have to tell you exactly what you're accused of and they need to do it quickly. They can't just hold you without saying why. This is to ensure transparency and fairness. And this is crucial. You don't have to say anything. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to be quiet. And they have to tell you that anything you say can be used against you in court. This keeps you safe and prevents self-incrimination. Next, they have to take you to a judge within 48 hours. This is to ensure that your detention is lawful, not counting travel time, but a judge needs to see you fast. This is to prevent unlawful detention. And if there's no good reason to keep you, you might be able to go home after paying bail. Bail is a way to ensure you return for your court date. This is to stop people from being held unfairly, and to ensure that the justice system is fair and just. Now let's move on to your rights once you're officially accused of something, as outlined in Article 20. These rights are designed to ensure you get a fair trial. You get a public trial in a regular court. This means no secret trials, everyone can see what's happening so it's fair. Transparency is key in the justice system. It ensures that the process is fair and just. They have to give you a paper that tells you what you're accused of. This is called a charge sheet. This helps you understand the charges against you and prepare your defense. This is crucial for ensuring that you can mount an effective defense and have a fair trial. Remember, you're innocent until they prove you're guilty. This is a fundamental principle of justice. It's the prosecution's job to prove it, not yours. You don't have to prove your innocence. The burden of proof lies with the prosecution, and you don't have to say anything against yourself. This is your right against self-incrimination. You can look at the evidence against you and ask questions of the people saying you did it. This is called cross-examination. You can also bring your own people to speak for you. These are your witnesses. This makes sure you can tell your side of the story and present your evidence. If you can't afford a lawyer, the government will give you one for free. This ensures that everyone has access to legal representation. And if you don't understand what's being said in court, you get a free translator. This ensures that language barriers don't prevent you from getting a fair trial. Lastly, if you don't agree with what the court decides, you can ask a higher court to look at it again. This is called an appeal. This gives you another chance if you think something wasn't right in your trial. These rights are super important. They protect you from being arrested for no reason and ensure that the justice system is fair. They make sure you get a fair trial and keep you free from unjust detention. They ensure that justice is served and that your freedoms are protected, so remember, knowing your rights is the first step to using them. Stay informed and stay safe. Thanks for watching and stay safe. See you next time.